Going to begin with breaking news. That highly contagious new strain of coronavirus appears to be spreading across the U.S., a dangerous new development at what may now be the worst moment of the pandemic. Tonight, California's governor says the mutation of the virus has been found in Southern California, and Colorado says it's now investigating a second case there. And while scientists say the new variant is not more deadly, it is much easier to catch, further fueling a crisis already out of control. As we come on the air, the U.S. has again shattered a gruesome record for lives lost. On Tuesday, the U.S. reported more than 3,700 Americans were killed by the virus, the most in one day since the pandemic began. And tonight, the CDC is projecting things will only get even more dire, saying nearly 100,000 Americans could be killed by COVID-19 just next month. With the situation across the country now so desperate, there is increasing frustration tonight that the program to deliver millions of doses of vaccines to Americans just isn't moving fast enough, especially after England approved a third vaccine today and rolled out plans to deliver millions of additional shots there starting on Monday. There are a lot of headlines tonight, and our team is standing by with new reporting for you and your family. CBS's Meg Oliver is going to lead off our coverage from New York's Times Square. Good evening, Meg.
Margaret, good evening. This new strain of the virus is 50% more infectious than the highly contagious virus we've already been dealing with this year. Tonight, there's evidence this strain has already been spreading across the country.
Tonight, concern turns to reality.
We were informed that this new variant that we've identified, obviously from the United Kingdom, has been identified here in the state of California.
That word from Governor Gavin Newsom in a talk with Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Well, Governor, first of all, I'm not surprised that you have a case and likely more cases in California, and we likely will be seeing reports from other states.
2 cases have also shown up in Colorado.
Both of these cases are Colorado National Guard personnel who were deployed to support staffing at the Good Samaritan Society nursing home.
Tonight, the CDC saying there's no evidence that the new strain is deadlier or resistant to the vaccine, and that current guidance like mask wearing and social distancing should still be followed. Though scientists in England believe it does spread much faster and may contain mutations, making it easier for children to be infected. In Louisiana, shock over the death of Congressman-elect Luke Letlow, who was just 41 and had no known underlying conditions. He was due to be sworn in on Sunday. He died last night, leaving behind a wife and 2 children.
Let us extend deepest sympathy to those little babies who have lost their daddy.
As bad as it is around the country, it's already worse in hard-hit California, the state setting yet another record for COVID deaths. And this chart shows the meteoric rise in hospitalizations.
We were on the brink of really catastrophic moments.
Dr. Terso Del Junco says Southern California hospitals are now facing the grim prospect of rationing care.
And when you have multiple patients that are going into cardiac arrest or code blues, not everybody can respond to those. So they're having to make a choice. Who do I respond to? Who do I not respond to?
With each COVID death comes unimaginable loss, including Celine Blancas.
We need more kindness to go around.
A first-grade teacher in El Paso, Texas, Blancas made a video 2 years ago that went viral.
I have a lot of positive comments, like if I had this when I was a child, I would be so much happier.
Blancas died this week after 2 months in the ICU.
Tomorrow, for the first time in decades, New York's Times Square will be closed to the public. They're only letting in a small socially distanced group to watch the ball drop, including some frontline workers and their families. Margaret?
Meg Oliver, thank you.